Okay, so today we're going to go ahead and review another massage gun. This massage gun is lightweight, it's compact, it works through the clothing, it works with somebody that's undressed, so no clothing, and you can focus on different areas of the body, which we're about to go through right now. But first, we're going to go ahead and be safe and sanitize our room. We already sanitized our hands, but we're going to do it again just to show you guys that we are being safe through this COVID-19 nonsense, which will get better. Amen. So let me do the sanitization of my hands. So right here, we have our hand sanitizer. Uh-oh. Make sure you don't get that on the client. So you guys can see it dripping, yep. I lather up and make sure a whole bunch goes on. But hey, we can't just stop there, and we do have masks. I'm just letting you guys know that we're doing something for a video, and if I have my mask on, so I can't really say anything through the mask, so we're gonna pretend I have my mask on right now, okay? But I don't, but we do have a mask. Don't report me. And if you do, God bless you, y'all. Crazy. We go through our other sanitization procedures. You can have an atomizer or an atomizer. Pretty much it just sprays specules of cleaning solution, which is 1 part Clorox or bleach, 9 parts water. So turn it on. The client's going to feel a little bit of it. It's okay. Go through our room. And that's it. You don't want to spray too much because it's strong. Just make sure your client is safe. There's no spackle or water everywhere. It's just water and a little bit, like I said, 1 part Clorox, but not everything. Just spray it one good time. Wave your hands around, it'll dissipate. Now, if you cough too much, you put too much bleach in there. It's strong. You only need a little bit. So now that we are safe, we cleaned our massage gun, because you can spray it on here too. I like how they put rubber everywhere, so you can sanitize it, you can clean it. Other massage guns, they're going to have like little cracks in between to where the battery goes or the heads. You can spray in here, you'll still be fine. This one will still run. I'm not saying it's totally waterproof, but it's disinfectant proof. Meaning that you can spray your machine down and wipe it down. Great. So this one, or this massage gun, is the roffie massage gun, and on the side you have your operating buttons, on button, the power levels, and everything. All on the side, so you don't have to be back here anymore. I know most massage guns will have everything on the back side, but actually trying to flip through modes on the back side while holding the gun, it can fall out of your hand. So at least with this one, you still have your fingers here. You can press whatever you want, or just use your other hand. You're good to go. So from here, and even it has directions right on top. Don't put your hands inside this singular or circular hole, because it pumps out really fast, and you don't want to have your nail or something get caught in there. Or for some people who have fingernail jewelry, yeah, please don't put your finger in here. Or if you have kids, anybody who's nosy, get the hand caught all up in there, little baby, it's a real problem. So be careful of having this exposed. Make sure you don't put your hand on top of the rim area as well, because it moves so fast, you get your finger caught up in there. It's not going to cause your finger to fall off, but it is kind of painful. Be careful. It has warning directions right here on the machine. So now we're going to go through the different types of heads. But even before that, it comes in this nice box. So this box is nice and lightweight. And we're going to get a closer view in just a minute. But it comes with instructions. The instruction manual by Roffie, and Roffie is R-O-F-F-I-E. Again, that's R-O-F-F-I-E. The instruction manual, like I said, it's in different languages, which is wonderful. English, Spanish, Chinese, or Mandarin. I believe one more German, I believe, is in here anyway. So those 4 different languages, I think maybe it might be 5, but it's easy to read. Actually has muscle diagrams in here to work on certain body parts, which is wonderful. So if you don't really know which a hamstring really is, or a glute really is, or back muscles, now you can look in here and find out what those muscles are. Detailed information. We're going to go over that in just a minute. So these are your instructions. Now to charge your machine, I'm just going to put this right beside you. So to charge your machine is at the bottom. So the bottom charging port, this is a 5-volt connection port, USB. So the USB cord, or this portion, goes into your favorite charging port that holds a USB charging port. But this is almost like a USB-C connection. So once this is in the wall, you plug this part, the USB-C part, into the hole. Doesn't matter which side, or if it's upside down, this way, that way, it's all going to go in one way. So it doesn't matter. Fits in nice and perfectly. Almost like your iPhone, or if you have a Samsung, it just goes right on in the charging port, especially the iPhone. It's the same type of principle. Goes right on in. So I turned it over, still fits in, no matter what. Perfect. So again, it's 5 volts and a 2A battery. So the battery is like a lithium ion battery, which is inside. It holds a charge for 3 hours. So a 3-hour charge, if you think about it, like, wow, I can push the power button, leave it on the ground or on a person's body, just like, here, let it do all the work. It's like, no, don't do that. That'd be careless. You're taking a break. But let's just say you left it on, and you've got to turn it off. It shuts down after 15 minutes anyway. But it has a 3-hour power cycle. So let's just say you are working on 10 clients, 20 clients, 50 clients. That's still going to be enough charging time for your clients. So no worries about running out of juice. And then the power level buttons, or I'm so sorry, right up here, level 1, 2, and 3, will let you know what level it's at. Like, hey, I need to be charged, or hey, I'm half full, or hey, I'm fully charged, I'm ready to go. So it lets you know right here on the side, so you're good to go. So again, that's how you charge your massage gun. We're gonna go into the heads now. So the heads, they have 4 different heads. The 4 different heads, let's start with the first one, the bullet. We all love the bullet. We know what this bullet does, you know. So, but this time we're using it for the body. We're not using it anywhere else, so be careful because it's powerful. This lightweight, I would say maybe 3 pounds at the most, maybe 4, but it's super, super lightweight, and so are the handles. Put it in here, squeeze, and I twist. You don't have to. So again, to put it in, and then I twist. I just want to make sure it's in there. I like twisting things. You don't have to. It's already snug. It's in there. Hit your power button. So you have to give it a 1-second press. Like you hold it down, it comes on. And as you can see, do you hear it? Nice and silent. Man, good grief. It's like the massage gun with a suppressor. You know. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and work on a glute area for say. And this is the bullet. This gives deep tissue compression. And it can be a little ticklish. So just make sure you know what areas you're hitting. But for this, I like to use it on my arms or certain places where I know I have crazy tension and pain. Oh, you're right there in that golfer's or tennis elbow on the inside of the hand, or you can go on the outside when you're backhanding like a tennis elbow. But we'll get a close-up view in a minute. So this is really, really good. Even if you want to do the temples, when you're adding to the temples, go lightly and like. There we go, yep. So yeah, give yourself a massage, the temples. So we will get a closer view in just a minute. Get the back of the head, yep, all that good stuff. Neck. Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm gonna turn it off. Oh, I went to the next level, so sorry. And then there's a third level. Super fast. So again, regular speed, and then ludicrous speed, and then insane mode. But that's not what they're called. I'm just letting you know the various levels of the massage gun. So it's off. And to change those different levels, you're still using your power button. The power button is your all-in-one button for everything. Take this head off. We're going to use the flathead. Flathead is for broader areas like the chest. You can do your arms, you do like your deltoids. Well, deltoids will be perfect for this as well because it hits the front, middle, and posterior. But the flathead can hit all of them at the same time. It's just in broader areas, flatter areas, glutes, legs, all that good stuff. So let's go. Turn it on. Chest area. So see, when you're doing the chest area, it's like, oh yeah, I needed that, it feels so good. Oh, right in there. See the, yep, pec minor. Oh, right on it, all up underneath the armpit. It's good to go. All right, so even on the client's body, let's go on the back. All right, oh, bony landmark. Be careful of bony landmarks. It's gonna double tap if you're on strictly a bone. So like the shoulder blade area, like for instance, you hear the difference. But when you go to meteor sections, right, it gets quieter because it's on a meteor section. Like if I put this on my forehead, see how it bounces off because it's a harder landmark. But then we go to meaty portions, like the glutes, hamstrings, and it's nice and easy because it's massaging and kneading those muscles. So that's the flathead, nice and easy. So different modes, off again. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the Y-shaped attachment. Turn it on. Now Y-shaped attachments, oh, so sorry, let me turn it off again. Make sure your attachment is aligned with the massage gun, so straight ahead, like this way. Or it can be this way. So as long as it's set up to where it's straight, or this way in alignment with the massage gun, you're fine. So for me, I'm going to just turn to the side, turn it on. And so let's just say the client's arm, and we need to do the back of the arm, the triceps, because it fits right on in between that muscle. So it gets bony here, so it's going to bounce off of it. And yep, get right on in there. So in between, so just like the neck area. So her neck, we're going to go right in between the neck. All the way up to the occipital ridge. So just like in between places. So let's just say for her legs, we're going to come on up. And right in between here, you can see how it narrows? Perfect, it fits right in between the narrow. So anywhere that's in between, even on the tops of the foot, we can get in between there, but that's what the Y shape is for. So anywhere in between where you have an opening. Oh yeah, see right in, yep. Ooh. Ooh. Perfect. So we're gonna turn it off. The last head that we have is the ball. The ball is a softer area, so you can hear it huffing and puffing. Sounds like something. So this is softer for softer areas like the head or the jawline. You have your masseter muscle, you know, that crocodile muscle is what I called it back in school, because you know the crocodile will clamp down on somebody and it never holds, or the pit bull, the pit bull doesn't know how to open his mouth up again because that masseter muscle actually gets stuck. And so we have a masseter muscle as well. Horses, when you see them chewing from side to side, or like a cow, masseter muscle. So our most strongest muscle in the body is the masseter muscle. Because we talk all the time, like I say, I'm talking too much right now. See, I'm using it. Put the ball in there, turn the machine on. Oh yeah, see? Yeah, so right in there, you got some jaw pain, or you tired, right there. Oh, man, good grief. To the side of the head. Get those temples. But for the body, you can do the same thing, it's just softer. That's all. So some people like a gentle feeling. They don't want something that's harder or something that's so, I guess, I don't want to say abrasive, but something that is not going to be calming and soothing or relaxing. Yeah, don't use the other heads if you don't need to. That's for deep tissue and for different areas of the body. But for this one, it's smoother, gentler, and almost anybody can handle this type of pressure. And this is at level 1. So now let's go ahead and go into a closer view of everything that we've been talking about.